Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Prices at the pumps are set to rise this week, reflecting changes in the Gulf reference cost for fuel. Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
Well, consumers will be paying more for gasoline heading into 2018. Petroleum today says it will hike the price of both E10 87 and E10 90 gasoline by $1.79, essentially erasing all of the declines from last week. The price of regular diesel, it goes up as well, increasing by $1.06, while low sulfur diesel increases by 97 cents. Kerosene is up as well. It goes up this week by 94 cents, while propane is up $1. And butane increases by 85 cents. It's back to you.
Thanks, Dashan. Well, oil prices settled lower today, easing back from more than two-year highs after a pipeline explosion in Libya helped to deliver a jolt to crude futures. Oil for delivery in February shed 33 cents to close at $59.64 a barrel. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.12. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.39. The pound sterling is going for $166.53, while the euro costs $150.38. Wisynco is scheduled to list on the Jamaica Stock Exchange tomorrow after its recent successful initial public offering. The listing comes after its lead broker, NCB Capital Markets, says it has settled all accounts with most persons getting the number of shares for which they applied. The company offered 20% of its shares to the public, valued at just over $6 billion, and was oversubscribed 3 times. The Wisynco listing will be the biggest in the history of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Stocks ended mostly higher today, but declines in several blue-chip equities sent the JSE index down by 524 points. The junior market index gained 58. Stocks posting gains today included AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cream, Fosrich, G-West, Jamaican Teas, Kingston Wharves, Lasco Financial, NCB Financial, Radio Jamaica, and T-Tech. Now on the losing end were Berger Paints, Carib Cement, Dolphin Cove, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Pan Jam, Scotia Group, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.